Hi guys, I wanted to come on and talk to you about cloud seeding and geoengineering. Benny had a spokesperson from the Trump administration on, which seemed to be pretty forthcoming. And I think that's a wonderful thing. Meanwhile, a lot of you all out there do not know what's really going on. So cloud seeding has been used, as far as I know, at least in America, since 2008. And these are the reasons that they're stating they are able to use these, okay? They're stating that it's for prevention of drought for the farmers and to block solar radiation. And what I'm talking about here is literally weather modification. And what they use are stratospheric, they're called stratospheric aerosol injections, and that's where you see that it looks like what we call chemtrails. It's not the jets leaving the smoke, or anything like that. It's actually something that's being injected into the atmosphere. And what they're injecting is nanoparticles that are aluminum as well as sulfur dioxide. Pardon me. These methods are employed supposedly to ensure that the earth is not overheated. I can tell you that in Texas since 2015, it's been overheated. It's normally hot and humid in Texas, but it's been more so since 2015 to the point of that you can't really in the summertime go outside without just being soaking wet and having to bathe at least 3 times a day. What the cloud seeding actually does, in my opinion, because of what I've experienced, is it creates more humidity as it's creating a dome, okay? So this person, the spokesperson for Trump, I didn't get his name, he states that they are supposed to get in touch with NOAA, NOAA, each and every time they use weather modification. When have you ever heard any NOAA notifications that come over the line that state that this is going to be used? They never do. They never do. So the other thing I wanted to talk about before we get done here is these are things that I looked up in reference to the sulfur dioxide, etc. And these are the codes they gave me. And this is H314 burns eyes and skin. H331 may cause respiratory problems. It can be explosive. H370 may cause damage to organs. Now you can find all of this that I'm talking about at msds/europe.com. They don't have any that I can just look at for America. Isn't that spiffy? But nonetheless, this is what they're injecting into the air, and that's why it's so humid, and that's why you always see clouds or chemtrails.